here we're going to look at how could we copy paste or use the paste special value into a chart. For this example, I have table 1 and table 2. Let's create a graph with table 1. I'm selecting the table, insert menu, and I'm clicking the bar chart. It's a simple bar chart, and I'm going to bring in the labels, data labels, and probably let's say this is employee detail, and okay, and let's say a percentage of variance of variance of something. So in this data we have two tables where one is the employee count and the other one is variance. The unique thing that we have is the department, and we wanted to bring a combo chart. To have a combo chart, we could definitely do it using the Excel 2016 and above version, but this is another way of doing it. What we are going to do is we are just going to copy that. I'm going to copy it, and I'm selecting the graph that we created. I'm going to do a paste special, and it says new series and a column, and click OK. So you will see this percentage is also appearing here, but it is not legible, as in the bars are not legible. I'm going to use a chart type. I'm going to change the chart type here and choose combo, and I'm going to put this variance in the secondary chart and click OK, and you have it. So next step will be probably to make it better. I would select the y-axis and I would put it into a white color, and also this z-axis again into white color, so this looks better. So this is how you can use the paste special option to combine two data into one graph.